Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we are just going to work with strings and we're going to print them out, and then what we're going to do is we're going to join them. So I'm going to give you some examples here. So first of all, my string, let's say my string 1 is equal to, and then we're going to give it a text string. Hello, how are, hello, how are you, let's say. Okay, so that's our little text string, my string 1, and my string 2 is equal to, let's have a look, I'm fine. Okay, so we've got our two strings here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these two strings, but before I join these two strings I'm just going to print them out for you. So if we type print there, and we want to print out my string 1, and we also want to print out my string 2. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to save this onto the desktop to make it easier. Save as, we'll save it onto the desktop, and I'm just going to call it something like s.py. Okay, now we are going to run the program, and we should be able to print out the strings. There we go. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to concatenate these strings, or basically join them together. So I'm going to have to create another my string, and this I'm going to call my string 3 is equal to, let's say, my string 1. And now we're going to concatenate them, join them together, like that. And let's have a look, my string 2. Okay, so we've got those, we've joined them, and now what we've got to do is print my string 3. Okay, so we're going to print those. So let me just save it first, save, and we'll just run the program. There you go, it's concatenated them, joined them together. Okay, we're going to take this a little bit further. We're going to do some other magic with it. So I'm going to search for something in the string. So if, whoops, what have I done there? Sorry. If x in my string 1, or say let's say y in my string 2. Okay, now we've got to do something. So if it finds x in the first string or y in the second string, we've got to do something, and it's going to say print. I'm going to print out a message. Let's say x or y were found in the strings. Okay. Else. Okay. Else, if that condition doesn't happen, if x in my string 1 or y in my string 2, print x or y were found in the strings. Else, if they weren't found, we're just going to have to print out another message. Letters not found. Okay, so the letters weren't found. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to save that, and we're just going to run it. And there you go, the letters weren't found. So I'm just going to try another experiment here just to show you. So let's say my string 1, let's say R. Okay, because we know that we've got R in my string 1, it's right here. And in my string 2, I'm going to put fine. Because in my string 2, we know we've got the word fine here. Okay, so I'm just going to save that. I'm going to run the program and see what message we get back. X or Y were found in the strings. Whoops. Should have changed the message here. Sorry, so I have to change the message. The word. I'm going to put the. Whoops. The words were found in the strings. Okay, let's save that, and we'll get back the appropriate message. So let's run the module again. Yep, the words were found in the strings because those words are in the strings. Okay, I hope that's been useful to you, and if it's been useful to you, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button. It will help out my channel. So thank you very much, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.